Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Rico cutting this video to talk to you about a new company that I have taken part in, which is called HBNaturals. So either you're, subscribed to me on YouTube where I sent you this video, or you're looking into HBNaturals. So I just learned about this company not too long ago, and once I studied the company, I studied the products because it is organic. It's vegan. It's great for you. They have products back here, third party testing. They have CBD oil back here that's tested, and they show you the test and everything like that. But that's not all they have back here, right? So when someone brought this to my attention, I really wasn't interested in looking at opportunity. But when I really looked into this and seen that the products that they had, and seeing that, something that I would definitely want to try out and stuff that I definitely need, I went ahead and took the plunge. Not only that, but HBNaturals, you can join for free, right? There's no startup cost. They give you websites. And when you make a sale, you get paid instantly. Not next week, not next month. You get paid the same day. So if you join for free today, you went out, you made a sale, depending on which website you made it from, you get paid 20% of that sales volume, or you get paid 50% of that sales volume today. It would be going to your bank account within 24 hours. So that's one thing that got me to look into this a little bit more. And then when I really dug into the compensation plan, so not only the products, but when I dug into the compensation plan, it really blew me away, right? And I compared it to other companies, which I'm not going to sit here and name other companies because other companies are great too, but everybody has their own company that they're attracted to, and this right here blew my mind. Sorry guys, I had to take a little sip of my coffee, but so the company is called HBNaturals. They have tons of products. If we go over here, you'll see that they have CBD products. They have the 500 milligram CBD. They have the 1,000 milligram CBD. They even have coffee CBD. Okay, and they have products for pets as well. They have superfoods, biominerals, personal care. I mean, there's tons and tons of products back here. They even have a contest going on people can get involved and they can win up to $500 for losing weight. So it's $10 per pound up to 50 pounds. So people are taking that test, or that people are jumping into the contest and starting to win some money with that as well. So I'm not going to go over everything back here. I'll leave the link below so you could check it out. But like I said, the hemp oil, you got to be careful where you get your CBD oil from and what is in CBD oil. But they get it from a farm in Kentucky, which, a lot of great companies that are doing this are getting it from the same farm. So they get their CBD oil from Kentucky. You could come back here, you can tap on the third party testing and see, the ingredients and everything in there and how they make it. So let me scroll over to, let's go to the product section real quick. So they have tons of products, okay? You can study the products back here when you get back here. But like I said, they have CBD oil, they have skincare, they have packs that you can get. Entourage, I'm definitely going to try that out. That actually has black seed oil in it. If you don't know what black seed oil is, go Google it and check it out. It is, I've actually used it before. So now that this company has it, I'm going to be ordering from this company. They have the coffee, the CBD coffee. They have magnesium. They have iron. If someone's low in iron or potassium or whatever. They have pain lotion for pain. They have the soap. I just ordered the hemp seed soap, and I'm going to order this soap next. And I heard this soap is really good. Matter of fact, I'm going to make a video when my package comes in. So I can kind of share with you what the package is or what I got. They have pet products, pet CBD oil, itch relief. I can actually use this for my, I have 2 dogs. I have 2 Shih Tzus. So I'm actually going to try this on my oldest Shih Tzu because she really bites at her legs. for whatever reason. She has a, I guess, a skin problem on her leg. So I'm gonna try that out, and I will send a video of that in as well. Mind, body, and soul. You take shots of these. These come with shot glasses, and you can check it out. You can come back here, click on it, and it actually tell you what it does. Nourish is vitamin pack, all natural, all organic vitamin pack. The Vital Tea, I got that as well. This is a detox. So you can come back here and study the products. We also have samples too. So if you want to try them out, get a sample of the CBD oil, sample of the Entourage, sample of the packs. We have samples out here too. So let's go to the compensation plan. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to kind of share with you how the compensation plan works a little bit. I'm not going to go over everything. I'm just going to go over what got me excited and what got me to jump in. As you can see from the screen, it is a binary compensation plan. Now, I used to not like binary compensation plans. There was a lot of breakage in them. They said that you would get paid, but you didn't really get paid on your pay leg until you hit a certain high level or a high rank, or you had to have a certain amount of auto ship, and it was a lot to it, right? So when I looked at this, I was like, oh my God, another binary plan. All right, let's see how this works out. So first off, like I said, it's a free membership. On the free membership, that means you don't have to pay for anything if you don't want any products. I don't know why you would do that though, because you want to be a product of the product. You want to at least get some sample packs, right, to test it out. But whatever the case may be, if you are a free membership, you still get paid 20% instant pay on your first level, right? So anybody that you bring in that orders, anything that they order, you get paid instant pay. You get paid 20% instant pay off of their CV volume, and you'll get that pay that day. If you use your retail link, which looks like this. This is my retail link. So this one is, I think I got it pulled up. Let me see. Okay. So this right here, this is when you want to get people to take your free tour. So I'll leave that link below too. So go ahead and take your free tour. But this is if you want to do the business. If you want to do the business, you go here, and people who order, once they're a wholesale customer, you get paid 20% off of their orders. If you have someone that's not interested in the business, they just want to purchase the products, you send them this retail site. When they go here to order the products, whatever they order, you get paid 50% off of the CV. Okay? And that is as a free membership. You get paid that instant. Now, the binary pay plan, pretty much in order to qualify for the binary pay plan, you have to have 200 CV in your left leg and 200 CV in your right leg. Once you have that, if you at least have 25 personal volume, so that's a $25. That's all you have to order is a $25 product. You order a $25 product, you have 25 personal volume. You get paid 4% off of your shorter leg. Okay. If you have 50 PV, which is 50 personal volume, you get paid 8%. And if you have 100 PV, 100 personal volume, you get paid 12%. 100 personal volume is also going to get you the star bonus too, which I won't go over in this video. You can check the presentation out, but the star bonus gets you paid a lot of money too. So that is paid instant as well. So the binary, you're getting paid instantly the same day. So the matrix pay, and like I said, guys, there's 7 ways to get paid in this company, but I'm only going to go over 3 because these are the 3 that got me excited. Okay, so the matrix pay, you get paid weekly. How the matrix pay works is as long as you maintain 25 PV, that's personal volume, every 30 days, you qualify for matrix pay. Let me show you what 25 PV is. Okay, it's unheard of. Most companies, you got to pay $60 or more. This Nourish right here, which is a vitamin powder, okay, that's 25 CV. That's $29. This Vital Tea, $25. If you pay for this Vital Tea, you have 25 CV. Okay, So you just make a $25 order. And actually, when you first come back here and you sign up, it's going to be less than this on your first order because they give you 5% discount on your first order. All right. So you purchase that, you get 25 personal volume. When you get 25 personal volume, you qualify for the weekly pay that's paid out every Friday and your pay leg. Your pay leg meaning the leg that you have the most people on. Anytime someone in your pay legs orders 50 PV, it'd be 50 personal volume for them, but it'd be 50 CV for you. Anytime they order 50 CV and over, you get paid depending on if you're 25 personal volume or if you have an order of 50 PV or higher. If you have 25 PV, you get paid 25 cents for each person that ordered 50 CV and over. If you have 50 PV and over, like if you ordered 50 PV and over, you get paid $1 for each person on your pay leg, no matter who brought them in. It doesn't have to be you. You get paid $1 for each person that orders over 50 CV. So this is a company that's truly paying out their people. They're not telling people to take a free tour and, then you got to do this to get paid and have this certain rank to get paid in your pay leg. People are getting paid their pay leg. Now imagine when this pay leg starts running wild, right? Because right now with our Team Elite, we're in soft launch at the time of making this video. So right now is the perfect time to get in, because imagine when this leg runs wild. I've been in binaries before where in my pay leg I had over 3,000 people in my pay leg making orders, but I wasn't getting paid in that specific company from my pay leg because I wasn't at a specific rank. And here, if I have 3,000 people in my pay leg and at least half of them order 50 PV and over, that's going to be money paid out to me every single Friday. Every single Friday. And all you have to do is have a minimum of 25 personal volume that you have ordered a product. And again, if we go back to the shopping cart, you can do that by simply ordering a $25 product, which is the Vital Tea, the Detox. Okay? So that's why I'm excited about HBNaturals. Great company. They've been around. They started in 2017. But they are under a company called Green Organics that's been around longer than that. So they are a stable company, and they are paying out instant, and they are paying out every week and also every month in the other pay plans. So go ahead and check out the other ways to get paid below. I'll leave the link below. If you have any information, contact me, get a hold of me. But we're going to take this to the sky. I'm going to run with this, and I'm going to get healthy myself. And I'm going to take a lot of people with me that are going to get healthy, and not only healthy, but they're going to get wealthy. All right. So until then, see you at the top.